Chrome Password Manager new update. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get started. So there's an option called Password Manager in your Google Chrome. So what we need to do in order to get there is that we need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click on the settings. So here you need to go to Google Password Manager. So here they will show you all the password of websites you've logged in with this Gmail. If you want to customize this password manager, you can also click on add password. So here you can type the name of the site, your name and the password. So what else can you do is that you can click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner and you can change the settings here. Like if you want to save passwords or not, if you want to auto sign in or not. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this and I'll meet you guys in the next video.